The application of KidLogger PRO can be managed and configured from the server side. If we open the settings page and choose a device, we can see the settings. For example, records web usage statistics. If we uncheck this option, the internet surfing will not be tracked. Record messages in Skype and in other messengers. The record text typing statistics we can disable here as well. Upload interval. It is the interval between the sessions of information uploading. If we want to upload the information more often, we can reduce it to 1 minute. Application access password. Here we can change the password to KidLogger application launching. Locally in target phone, we use this password in phone application to launch the control panel of KidLogger PRO when it is working in background. Here we can connect it to another user account and only to see the options, because the options we can change only in server side. We can change this password, for example, to 12358. Then we must save the settings. And when the phone reads the settings from the server, the phone reads it once in 30 minutes and it will change the access code. Just look. Now we try to start the application with old code. And it doesn't open the settings. Let's try a new password. It works. Record app names. It means to record the names of applications. Log calls. To record the log of calls. Record outgoing and incoming calls. It means to record the calls into audio files. Recording duration. It is the maximal length of audio recording. By default, it is 5 minutes, but maximal value is 20 minutes. The longer calls usually arrive onto the server being damaged, and it will be not possible to hear these files at all. The maximal size of audio file is 5 megabytes. When the size of audio file reaches this limit, the recording will be stopped. Log SMS and coordinates. To log the coordinates, the location services should be switched on in target device. Make screenshots in messengers. KidLogger PRO makes screenshots in many messengers and programs. The interval between screenshots is 15 seconds. The support Android module should be installed and switched on. Here in this article, we can see the entire list of applications and messengers where KidLogger PRO makes screenshots. the secret phone number for surround sound recording. It is a feature for Android 4 and 5. For example, we have another phone number which we never use to call our children. We can write it here, and when we call our child from this number, the target phone will not ring, but will start recording the surrounded sound. When internet connection appears, it will send the audio file onto the server. Why we don't use this feature now? In Android 4 and 5, it was possible to delete the incoming call from the list of calls. In newer versions, this possibility disappeared. So, in new Android, the child will see the incoming call from a secret number. And it is recommended to use a parental remote control application to perform a call back or to perform recording of surrounded sound. That's all what I wanted to say today. Next time I will describe how to use the parental remote control application for KidLogger PRO. If you have questions, ask me in comments. You can subscribe our channel to see all news, and I say goodbye.